nito now that we're not requiring anymore swab testing for some of the domestic travelers in the Philippines? Like, will there be a chance na someone is vaccinated already, like fully vaccinated, but are we still posing a risk na they will be a super spreader?
Pag nabakunahan ka naman, Carol, alam naman natin, you will be, prevented from getting symptoms of the disease or severe or critical hospitalizations. Sigurado po yun. That's all of the vaccines have shown this efficacy. Pero pag sa transmission, bababa na yung rate mo makaka-transmit ka with the virus. Kasi pag meron ka ng immunity within your body, yung viral load mo ma-minimize na. So, kukonti na ang pwede mong potential for transmission. So, yung sinasabi nila, pag meron ka ng vaccination card or vaccination certificate na validated naman to, then you can actually travel, because this is a way of parang making sure na you are prevented from having the virus, at saka you have a lesser chance of transmitting the virus. Yun, those are the points.
Sir, may isa akong question. Meron kasing trending na meme ngayon online about vaccines. That when Filipinos get vaccinated with Sinovac, ang sinasabi nila, ang caption ng post nila is, the best vaccine is what's available to you now. Kapag naman daw ang pina-inject nila ay Pfizer, nakalagay, #vaccinated, #Pfizer. Pero kapag naman daw AstraZeneca, hindi daw makapag-post ng kahit ano dahil nilalagnan pa daw po sa symptoms. What can you say about this? Do you think that we should be brand agnostic pagdating dito sa campaign natin for getting Filipinos vaccinated?
Tama ka, Carol. I mean, yun talagang yung sinasabi talaga nila, the best vaccine is the vaccine in your arms, And it has been proven. Dumaan na yan sa FDA, lahat ng mga brands na yan, whether it is Pfizer or Moderna or Sinovac, iba-iba talaga ang platform kasi niyan Kasi ang Pfizer, alam naman na natin na synthetic mRNA, samantala yung Sinovac, these are the traditional harmless or attenuated vaccines, So ibang-iba talaga ang plataforma ng mga vaccines na yan, and all of them nakita na ho yan sa study that it will actually prevent severe critical diseases 90 to 98%. So pare-pareho ho yan. So I really believe na kung anong vaccine na meron ka, it will really prevent you from getting serious disease with COVID, and at the same time, it will prevent death, lalong-lalo na sa mga taong with, mga morbidities.